Alright guys, welcome to the Monday Directions video. A pretty simple, straightforward day today. We're just going to focus on weather and extreme weather this week, mainly hurricanes and tornadoes for us since the week is a little bit shorter. So today we're going to start off with hurricanes and or typhoons. So the assignment today is pretty straightforward, guys. You have this super hurricanes and typhoons video here. It's only 30 minutes long. And you have this sheet that goes with it. It's just a video guide, and a lot of it's just fill in the blank stuff. Wait for it to load here. Okay. Now, again, this is a Google Doc, so you will be able to click File and make a copy on this one. So if you want, what I want you guys to do here is just click File, make a copy. And once you do that, you'll have your own copy of this. You'll be able to type in your answers right here along with it. If you want to, you can just delete the little space there and just type in the answer. Or you can have your answer like this, whatever it is. Your call, whatever you want. All right. So yeah, 30 minutes long, only like 9 questions that go with it. For this circle one, just bold one. If you want to do 4, just bold 4 or whatever. Just so I know. But that's it, guys. And then tomorrow we'll move on and we'll do some tornado stuff. We're really wrapping it up here. Remember November 18th, last day to turn in work. Besides that, that's all I got, guys. Good luck on the video. And again, if you have some time today, make sure you get some missing assignments done if you are somebody who has missing assignments. All right, guys. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow if you're a Tuesday, Thursday person, and I will see the rest of you guys today.